Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And in today's video I'm going to test the new Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer makeup, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. So for today's video I'm going to test this Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer. I tried this one for the first time a few days ago and I really liked it, and I want to wear it again today for you guys. I am a big fan of the original Estee Lauder Double Wear, and that foundation is my favorite foundation of all time. So this new Double Wear Sheer makeup is supposed to be better than that one, but in a sheer formula. I'm a big fan of this one, and I really like this one in those days when I go out and I really want my makeup to last all day and look the same. So this one is great for events, but it's a little bit heavy for everyday makeup. So the fact that we have the sheer version of the Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, I'm very excited, because lately I gravitate more towards sheer and natural makeup for every day. So yeah, I'm very excited for this one. I have this one in the same shade as my Double Wear in Ivory Nude. So I'm going to compare these two a little bit. I want to see the texture, the color. They are not the same product because this one is full coverage and this is sheer, but I want to see if the color is the same. This one has SPF 10 and this one SPF 20. I don't really believe in the SPF that is in makeup, but it's also nice to have extra protection in your foundation. So this is how the packaging look. I don't have the packaging for this one, but they are like the same. I also love that this one is also non-comedogenic, which is great, and doesn't have a perfume in it, which is also great. So this is how the packaging look. This is a plastic bottle and it's very lightweight. I'm not very sure about the packaging because I've loved the packaging on this one. I love the glass bottle. I think the product stay fresh in this kind of packaging, and in this one I'm not very sure. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand to see the texture, a little bit from this one and also from this one. Okay, I've used quite a lot. Here is the original Double Wear and here is the sheer one. As you can see, this one is very runny and this one is more thick. Both are in the shade Ivory Nude, but the sheer one, it's a little bit on the yellow side. Just a tiny bit, nothing crazy. When I've tried it for the first time a few days ago, I didn't notice anything strange. So I'm going to apply this one on my skin. I'm not going to compare these two and apply side by side because I've used this one many times on my channel and you know that I like it. But please let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a foundation battle between these two. I would love to do that if you want to see something like this. So I will move on and apply this one on my skin. I just have my regular moisturizer and I don't have any primer because I want you to see how this one look and how is the finish. I'm going to use a brush to apply the foundation, and I'm going to use this one by ZOEVA, this 102 for foundation. So this is how the foundation look on the side of my face, and here I don't have any foundation on. So I'm going to quickly apply it on this side of my face. So this is one layer of this foundation on my skin. This is very runny and you have to be very careful because I already have some foundation on me. So maybe apply it on the back of your hand and then put it on your face. And because it's very runny and sheer, I feel like you have to use quite a lot of product, but I have to say that I really like the finish. It's very nice. My skin look even and very pretty up close, but I'm going to apply second layer just for you guys to see if you could layer this one. Okay, with the second layer of this one, it's starting to look like this one, a little bit full coverage, but with a little bit of a glow. So you could definitely layer this one. The foundation will not move or something like this. So I will move on with the rest of my makeup because I want to see how everything will layer over this foundation, and I will give you my final impressions at the end of the video. For my blush and bronzer, I'm going to use this by Rare Beauty. I have this stick bronzer in Happy Soul and this liquid blush in Encourage. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so I'm very sorry, but I'm going to quickly apply this two on my skin. And for my concealer, I'm going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer in the shade Ultra Light. I really love this concealer because it looks fresh all day on my under eyes. But for today, I'm going to use it also as my eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to quickly set everything in place with this Ivory Hyaluronic Hydra powder. And moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Wild West eyeshadow palette. I love Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. I think the pigment is very good and they always come with amazing products. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette for today's video, and I'm going to start with this shade all over the eyelids. Next, I'm going to use Cowboy Rick. And finish with this Whiskey as my eyeliner. I'm going to quickly apply a mascara and something on my lips and I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. For my mascara, I've used this Damn Girl by Too Faced. I have the little travel size version, but the mascara is very good, so my lashes look very nice. And on my lips I have these two, the L'Oreal lip liner with this Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. All of the makeup products used in today's video, I've used them before on my channel and I have previous video for them, but I will list everything in the description box below so you could find everything there. So final impressions for this double wear sheer. Everything that I've used on top of this foundation look very pretty. The foundation didn't move. I have acne texture skin and not everything look good on me, but I like how nice this one evens the skin. It's very sheer with a light coverage, which I really like for every day. I also love that it's non-comedogenic and doesn't have a scent, and I also like how comfortable this one feels on my skin. So as a first impression, I really like it, and I've only used this one once for an entire day and was holding on very nicely, but I will definitely test this one more and I will update you in my future video. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!